Hey everyone, are you on the hunt for that perfect smartphone that packs a punch with powerful features and a stylish design, all without emptying your wallet? If so, your search ends today, because Nokia is about to unleash a phone that will shake up the market and directly challenge both iPhone and Samsung. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Eve Max 5G. This isn't just a phone, it's a new miracle of technology. It's rumored to feature a massive 400 megapixel DSLR-like camera, at a price so low you won't believe it. If you're thinking about getting this phone, you absolutely have to watch this video to the end. Today, we're going to give you all the details on this incredible smartphone's features, price, and launch date. So let's get started. Features of the Nokia Eve Max 5G. Display. First, let's talk about the display. This isn't your average screen, it's a 6.79-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. This means whatever you watch, be it a movie or a game, will look incredibly vibrant and stunning. But the real magic is in its speed. The 144Hz refresh rate and 390Hz touch sampling rate will take your gaming to a whole new level. Just imagine how smooth and responsive every touch will be when you're playing a game. Plus, it also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor and the powerful protection of Corning Gorilla Glass armor. Camera setup. And now we come to the phone's biggest highlight, the camera. Friends, it has a 400 megapixel main camera. Yes, you heard that right. This phone is set to give the iPhone some serious competition in the camera department. It also includes two more cameras, a 50 megapixel and a 48 megapixel, so you can capture every kind of shot. And for all you selfie lovers, it has a fantastic 50 megapixel front camera that will make every selfie so perfect, you'll be swimming in likes on social media. Performance. Now, let's talk power. This phone is equipped with Qualcomm's newest and most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, paired with 12 GB of RAM. This means no matter how heavy your gaming is or how many apps you run at once, this phone will never lag or freeze. You can forget about stuttering and hangs. And the best part, it will run on the latest Android 16. Battery backup. Now for the battery, our biggest need. This phone is rumored to have a massive 7800 mAh battery. With a battery this big, your phone will easily last all day. And when it's time to charge, its 90-watt super fast charger will fill your phone in the blink of an eye. Waiting for your phone to charge will be a thing of the past. Price and launch date. Finally, the most important information, the price and launch date. Friends, Nokia hasn't given any official information yet, but it's expected that this amazing smartphone could be priced around $700. If this phone launches at that price, it will truly create a storm in the market. So, friends, if you're waiting for this phone to launch, let us know in the comments.